Hi there, today I'm going to show you how to do cleaning cycles on a HP OfficeJet Pro 6970. Now this is nice and simple, done from the printer itself using nothing but the touchscreen you can see here. Now getting to the maintenance section of this printer is a bit fiddlier than on other machines, but from the home screen of the printer you can see here, you just drag down this bar at the top and we click on this little cog icon in the top left hand side. Once we're in there, drag the screen up until printer maintenance is shown. So we press to go into that. And as you can see, clean printhead is the very first option. So press to go into that. Now this will take a couple minutes and does use up ink within the cartridges, so I'd recommend using this sparingly. But assuming you're okay with that, just click continue. And after a minute or so, you'll be presented with a print quality page. It looks like this. The machine does it automatically, unlike some other printers. So you can check the results of your clean. Sadly, this test page doesn't break down the colours into cyan, magenta and yellow. It has like an orange and a green on the right here, both of which use the yellow, but it won't always be immediately obvious if your yellow cartridge specifically has dropped out. If you look at this first page I had when I was taking a look at this machine, it's not particularly obvious. You can see there's like a slight yellow here where it's not quite come through, but it's probably worth keeping in mind when you're analysing this page. But obviously if any of the text is missing, any of the blocks missing, there's an issue with the black, but hopefully cleaning again will resolve that for you. If you have any other print quality issues, it might be worthwhile checking out the align printhead and clean smear options that can also be found on the previous page of printer maintenance. Now both the printhead alignment and the clean smears options are pretty self-explanatory in how you do them. Just follow the prompts on screen, both of which only take a couple button presses. And are certainly worthwhile checking out if you have any doubts as to what's causing your print quality issue. Now I hope you found this video useful. If you have, please do let me know with a like. If there's anything else we can help with, let us know down in the comments. Otherwise, take care and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.